Is your Kia Niro key fob unresponsive or not opening? A dead battery is the most common cause. This video shows you how to quickly and easily replace it yourself. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a CR232 battery, available for $2 to $5 at most retailers. This simple DIY fix can save you $50 to $150 compared to dealer replacement. Ignoring warning signs like intermittent response can lead to complete failure. So let's get started. First, carefully pry open the key fob using your tool. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage. Note the positive side of the old CR232 battery before removing it. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing the same direction. Snap the fob case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. If it still doesn't work, ensure the battery contacts are clean. Use rubbing alcohol if needed. If problems persist, it could indicate a circuit board issue requiring professional help. Dispose of old batteries properly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Kia Niro key fob battery.